I'll request your dedicated attention. If you minimize the screen, please turn it up because it's going to be fun. And if you join half the way, it's going to be not that interesting. You lose the context of it. So let me just show you some of the indexes on a film table from the Sakila database. And it has lots of indexes right now, but these are not indexes. These are on a columns. So because this index is on this many columns, as we have seen, but ideally, you can see how many unique indexes are over here. Like this is also a single index and similar way, yeah? So composite index is the way to go. That's what I totally believe. Now, I'll just drop all the indexes which I've created before because I don't want to get biased with this new demonstration. In news demonstration, I want very different things. So now look at this one here. This again is very, very similar in any database, okay, any relational database. Do you see this query right now? What does it do? How many records it brings us? Well, it brings 220 rows on the screen. And when I go to explain, let's see what happens. Right? It's just reading data from a single table, which is firms, and it's just going to read 1,000 rows. That's it. And filtering is just 19%. So how do I create index on this thing? Should I be creating index on rental duration? Should I be creating index on length? Or should I be creating indexing on both the columns? Remember, a few seconds ago, I taught you a very important and valuable lesson that composite indexes are really, really good. But if you left this session right then, you missed out something very important, which I'm going to cover next. So my question to all of you fine folks, should I be creating index in one column, this column, or both of them together? What do you guys think? It's going to be fun because there's an or here. All right, so many answers right now. You guys are real fun bunch, okay? You guys really good, okay? I really like it, that the amount of the conversation and engagement you guys are throwing in. Most of you are saying just create index on a rental duration. And I know where that inspiration came from. I know. I see this line. I should have keep it a little hidden. So I just create an index over here. And now let's see the explain what it does. Is our 19 going up any higher? Definitely. We went from 19 to 28. We made a progress if we create index or rental duration. Now let's create index on a length and let's see what happens. Now I created index on a length. And then when I execute this one, wow, I got 100% filter. That's awesome. I am using both of my indexes. Duration and length both are being used for this particular query, and that is awesome. What? But I have a single where condition, and instead of using one, it is using two because I have two indexes on it. Two columns, two indexes. It makes sense. How about if I combine them? Let me combine them. All right, I just combine them. I created a new index. Now, my friends, this is your final chance to sign out. This is my last question to all of you, because after 2-3 minutes, we are going to see how to look at your system comprehensively with the help of Mehul. So right now, tell me one thing. Do you guys think this new index will be helpful or not?